Hallo, herzlich willkommen. Ich bin Susanne von susannegermantutoring and in this video I would love to explain the difference between nach, nachdem, nachher und danach. This video is probably for A1, A2 level, very interesting. I'm also going to explain it in English, but my examples are going to be in German. Let's dive into it. Nach is a preposition. I have got two example sentences for you. Nach dem Waldspaziergang mache ich Yoga. Nach dem Abendessen gehe ich an den Strand. So nach is a preposition followed by a dative article followed by a noun. My verb is still in second position. In the sentence, it is a main clause without comma. Nach dem Waldspaziergang, nach dem Abendessen. And then you continue with your verb. So remember, nach is a dative preposition, so the article after nach must be dative. Nachdem is a conjunction and actually introduces an entirely new sentence. Here are two examples. Nachdem ich im Wald spazieren gegangen bin, mache ich Yoga. I have two sentences with a comma. One is main clause in present tense. And then my nachdem Satz must be in present perfect tense. Here is another example. Nachdem ich zu Abend gegessen habe, gehe ich an den Strand. You can see my main clause is in present tense, so my nachdem clause needs to be in perfect. Now, let's go to danach. Ich mache einen Waldspaziergang und danach mache ich Yoga. And after that, danach introduces also a main clause and you continue with the verb. Ich esse zu Abend und danach gehe ich an den Strand. Danach is an adverb. It can also be placed after the verb. Ich mache einen Waldspaziergang und ich gehe danach an den Strand. Ich esse zu Abend und ich mache danach Yoga. You can actually replace danach with nachher all the time if you like. Nachher is also an adverb. However, in my area, which is Saxony, we really use nachher when it's very instant or quite soon happening. For example, jetzt esse ich und nachher komme ich bei dir vorbei. It is very instantaneously something that will happen very soon today and then and later on. Nachher. First I do this and nachher I do this. I'm not 100% sure if this is the case for all 16 states in Germany. It doesn't matter if you replace danach with nachher, but here in my area, especially in colloquial German in Saxony, we use nachher when it is happening today. First we do this and nachher we do this. It also is actually introducing its own main clause. Jetzt esse ich und nachher gehe ich schwimmen. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you would love to see more videos like this. And put your questions down below. I'm so happy to answer any questions you may have. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen und bis bald.